Good morning, everyone. I am Seema, Research Scholar, Department of Commerce. I'm elated to welcome our guest for today's session, Dr. S.M. Khan. I welcome you, sir, on behalf of Department of Commerce, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra, and Center of Continuing Education. It is my pleasure to introduce Dr. S.M. Khan, sir, to you all. Dr. Khan is an associate professor at the Department of Psychology, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. Dr. Khan has over 23 years of experience in applied psychology and more than 10 years of experience in teaching. Prior to joining Aligarh Muslim University, Sir was an officer at Research Designs and Standard Organization, the only research and development organization of Indian Railway, where he was instrumental in completion of 37 research projects. He is a project director for a major project sanctioned by ICSSR. He has published two books. He has authored, co-authored, and contributed more than 50 research papers in national and international journals. He has also developed, standardized, and published 21 aptitude tests and scales. 4 PhDs has been awarded under Sir's guidance and 5 are in progress, while 85 dissertations for master degrees and PhD diplomas has been submitted under the supervision of Khan Sir. Doctor Khan has attended and presented papers in several national and international conferences and seminars. He has also organized a number of workshops and has been invited as speaker to more than 70 research methodology workshops sponsored by ICSSR and allied institutions. Dr. Khan is also managing director and member of editorial board and review committee for 3 international journals. Doctor Khan has a vast experience in developing research methodology, data analysis using SPSS, SAS, Stata, etc. softwares, and interpretation of results. In addition to this, his current areas of research are psychophysiological assessment, statistics, research methodology, industrial psychology, organizational behavior, and human resource management. I welcome you, sir, with all my gratitude, and it's great to have this opportunity to learn from you, sir. I welcome you again. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Seemaji, for the wonderful introduction. My thanks to Professor Manjula Chaudhary, Dr. Tejinder Sharma ji. If you recall, it was just a 1 hour meeting with you, sir. So it is going to be a bond, permanent bond in days to come, and you have proved that we are in a bond, sir. Friends, in psychological, educational, and allied disciplines, you can say in the commerce and social science, number of disciplines, there is no direct measurement. Whatever we are trying to measure indirectly. So my talk start, you must be able to differentiate what is the difference between physical measurements and psychological or allied disciplines measurement. There is a difference. If you are not able to differentiate, trust me, then we won't be able to make our research in the right perspective. Number of times मैंने देखा है कि perhaps the basics are missing in our academia, or you can say in our research scholars. So my talk is development and standardization of tests. You can remove the word psychological tests. So the first session goes about measurement and general problems. Can anybody help me how to define measurement? Let us make it very interactive. I respect you guys. You are the well versed about different concepts related to research. How to define measurement? Anybody? जब तक आप बात नहीं करेंगे मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि am I approachable and accessible and You are digesting me. Okay, friends. In this session, I will cover measurement and evaluation, levels and functions of measurement, psychological vis-a-vis physical measurements, and general problems of measurement. My understanding about using the statistical test is based on measurement. If this concept is not clear to you or me, then trust me, we are not going to move in the right direction. Measurement. Okay. Friends, you might have seen in the commerce also, we are trying to measure number of behaviors. Why a person like a product, we used to measure. What are the different liking behaviors about the policies of the government? What are the problems and issues related to societal level, society, family, and of course, self. So we used to measure. If we are not able to quantify this part of the domain, behavior, it's very difficult to quantify, but it can be quantified. When you are able to quantify, then only you can make comparison. You yourself on different attributes, you with other part of the, you can say the group. So there is a need to go for measurement and understand different concepts related to the measurement. Friends, let us be very specific. When I say measurement, it is a process of assigning numbers or labels. I am sharing two words. When you are assigning the numbers, then it is quantification of the measurement. When you are giving some labels, I mean a person is outstanding. He or she got a A plus grade in the examination. Her gender is female. She is day scholar and so on. So in this part of the domain, you are going for qualitative part of the measurement. So quantitative as well as qualitative. So it is the process of assigning numbers or labels to things in accordance with specific rules. If I wish to ask to measure gender, the possible labels for the gender are two, male and female. We cannot say the gender is day scholar or hosteler. So rules are there, specific rules are there. Okay. As we are having physical sciences, if you are being asked to measure the weight of a product, you cannot say it is 40 centimeter. So rules are there. Specific rules to represent quantities or qualities. Attribute, whatever the attribute under consideration. Attribute is the characteristics. So it applies to quantitative part and qualitative parts also. Okay. Rule is a guide, method, or command that tells a researcher what to do. You need to follow the rules. Okay. Then, to follow the rules, you need to learn what is meant by scale or scaling. Symbols or some criterions are constructed about an individual behaviors or attitude. Symbols. If a person is giving a smiling face, then we need to make the interpretation accordingly. If we are trying to measure the degree of smile, then a scale applied 80%, 90%, 100%, and so on. If you compare measurement with the evaluation, so evaluation is the appraisal or assessment with respect to some standards. Friends, the topic that I am discussing with you, the standardization of the test. So I am pushing you towards standards. We are using tests for our research. Are they standard tests? Number of times we used to visit market. We used to prefer branded product. Why? This is because of the fact we trust upon standards. We trust upon specs, its friendliness, its usefulness, its quality, and so on. So when you go this part of the domain, appraisal with respect to some standards. So whenever you are going for the research and you are being asked to choose a test to measure a specific variable, anybody can help me how to define variable? देखिए मुझे आपके साथ 7 to 8 hours आज बोलना है, थोड़ा थोड़ा मुझे भी आप चांस देंगे कि मैं आपको सुन सकूं. Anybody can help me how to define variable? इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए.
Yes,
Variable
Ravi.
is a
So we
character.
can set some set of values. We can say that's variable.
Okay, or define current.
Sir, the value which changes as per the respondent's response changes. That is not constant. That is different for every respondent.
It could be anything that you want to measure in some way.
This goes to the independent variable, but I asked about the variable.
So it is something that we measure, that we are trying to measure is a variable.
Okay, friends. Okay, thank you so much for your participation. Variable is a characteristics of an object or an individual under study. Characteristics of an object. For example, you are having a mobile phone. What are the variables in reference to the mobile phone? Screen size, camera, storage, sound quality, and so on. These all are variables. If you go for an individual, its gender, its weight, its height, its qualification, and so on, all are variables. So first we will start variable. Then it has different roles to play in your research. Sometimes it is independent, dependent, moderator, indigenous, exogenous, confounding, its role. What role it is going to play in your research. So evaluation क्या है? It is assessment with respect to some standards. So both are going all together. The standards may also be true or arbitrary. अब ख्याल रहे यहाँ पे arbitrary. देखिए, an investigator may measure the height of a child, say 30 inches, and label him or her as short. So 30 inches is the true, and short is a label which is arbitrary. It depends on different societies, communities, regions, and countries. 30 inches ko we are saying short. If you go to the Nepal and neighboring country, it may not be. If you go to the Netherlands, European country, then you can again change this standard? So the standard may be true or arbitrary. A doctor measured your systolic BP as 140 and labeled you as high BP. So high BP 140. If you make an inference about 140 on the basis of age groups, higher the age, higher the BP is the normal. So this is the scenario that you need to take care of. The standards may be true or arbitrary. Arbitrary means that you labeled it on the basis of some experience or criteria. So the height of the child and the BP of a patient are being evaluated, not measured. आपने देखा? Evaluation. You are making some inference on the basis of some experience or your criterion. Okay. That I am sure during the Dr. Kaushal, he has touched about the measurement of scales, nominal and ordinal.
Yes, sir. We are done
Yes.
with these.
He had touched. So
Yes, sir.
nominal just categorization and ordinal based on ranking or orders. Friends, I'm sure you are going to stay with me. All the statistical tests are depend on these 4 type of scalings. We never used to bother. हमारा measurement का scaling क्या है? One of the research scholar came to me. He said the mean of the gender is 1.75. I surprised. 1.75. How you can label about it this measurement? What is 1.75? The reason being that he was not familiar about scaling. When the level of measurement is nominal, then you cannot go for mean. You cannot calculate the mean. You will calculate the median. So all statistical tests are depend on these 4 types of scaling. ख्याल रहे आप लास्ट सेशन लास्ट स्टेटमेंट तक आप इन्हीं चारों का यूज करेंगे. So there is large number of case studies. It is you to decide. गवर्नमेंट में एक जॉब मिलता है, हम उसी से बंद कर रह जाते हैं. You need to pursue your liking career और उसके लिए जरूरी है थोड़ा डिफरेंट होना पड़ेगा. So you will be realizing कि एक statistician, the person who used to torture the numbers, how he can speak from attitudinal part or behavioral part. So this has happened because of the fact कि मैंने चीजों को इंटीग्रेट किया, रिलेट किया. थैंक्स टू प्रोफेसर शर्मा. देखिए आपके बीच में कई बार होता है कि सर ही इज फ्रॉम साइकोलॉजी, हाउ ही विल मेक एन influence about the statistics and computer domain. I am organizing number of online teaching workshops as well. Computer science के teachers कहते हैं कि सर वो तो वहाँ से हैं. How it can be possible? It is you to decide. Okay, friends. So this is this part that scales of measurement. Again, देखिए थोड़ा सा बस briefly touch up करेंगे जिससे कि आप refresh हो सकें. Nominal. Just you used to assign the label or position. He was at 7th place, 8th place, or 3rd place. Just label. Ordinal, you used to give the rank for the winner. 1st place, 2nd place, and 3rd place. Now there is an order, there is a rank. The person who is at the 1st place, definitely he or she is better than 2nd. But how much better? This answer is missing. 1st place and 2nd place, what is the difference between the two? When you wish to examine the difference, then you will go for the interval. You can have the number of values on a continuum, unlimited values. सेकंड के 100वें हिस्से से हारा. इस तरह से हम इंटरप्रिटेशन लेते हैं, डिसीजन लेते हैं. Interval, number of values on a continuum, and ratio, the true zero is there. Time to finition. Okay. So these things I was trying to just skip. And these slides and PPTs will be available to you to make an inference. But emphasizing, please digest these 4 scales. Then only you can make right decision about the statistical test. Okay. I wish to skip this part. Functions of measurement, जिस तरह से अभी बात चल रही थी कि in any discipline we are dealing with measurement. We are having 120 plus departments, or you can say the disciplines at Aligarh University, Aligarh. Perhaps I can give you the statement with guarantee. शायद ही कोई डिपार्टमेंट छूटा हुआ जहां मैंने अपनी बात, अपनी नॉलेज शेयर नहीं की है या रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स ने मुझे विजिट नहीं किया है. So you cannot say that this measurement, statistics, scaling या test is not required in my discipline. Friends, in selection of a personnel in industry or other institutions. See, if you are going to join the professional setup, then you are going to have the selection committees. You will be the part of selection board. You will be asked to make a decision whether hire or not to hire this person for the job. Selection. In my case, over the Indian Railways, I was responsible for selection of safety staff through psychological test. Friends, जिस तरह से a large number of similarities we are having all together, मुझ में और आप में बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती जुलती हैं. If you look into a male, दूसरे मेल को देखिए, बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती जुलती होंगी. If you go to the female, a large number of similarity are there. लेकिन फिर भी different हैं. We all are different. There is a diversity. तो इसी डाइवर्सिटी को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए, एग्जामिन करने के लिए, we need to go for testing.